now we are trying to go to the third floor. So there. So there you go. Here's the view on top. And another bell here. This is a third one. And the fourth one. And also we have the fifth one. So this is the smallest among them all. And now we are here in a bell tower. We're going up. So it consists of how many steps before you reach the bell tower. I guess more or less 50 steps. And we're trying to reach the second floor of the bell tower. Yeah. We are allowed to enter, to go inside. We are now inside the bell tower. Again, another steps going up. But the thing is very dark here. Yeah. It's so exhausted. Yeah, another step. There you go. And we reach the middle part of the bell tower. So there. And now we are trying to go to the third floor. So there. Still we have stairs here going up. Very steep. Yeah, very steep. So you need extra careful if you want to go out on top. So there. So there you go. Here's the view on top. So there. So this is a bell. And another bell here. This is a third one. And the fourth one. And also we have the fifth one. So this is the smallest among them all. So I'll show you the view on the other side. So now we are here at a jar factory. Now na yung pottery, yung paggawa ng mga pot. Okay. So, matagal na mag-asawa, free-kick na. Hindi na pala.
Sa mga burnay.
So yung daming banga. So iba't ibang klase ng banga, mga paso yung nandito. Ang dami. So yun yung mga malalaking mga banga. So iba't ibang uri ng mga banga. May maliliit, may malalaki. Oh, yes ma'am, ang dami nga po. Ayun. So hanggang taas meron pa doon sa gawi kapit. So yun, ito parang dito nang gagaling yung mga clay na ginagamit. Ayan. Ito malaman. Yan may mga rabbit.